Please welcome a man no stranger to the games, the director of the Hunger Games, the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. It's Francis Lawrence.
To your left, please, sir.
If no one told you,
Over your shoulder, please. Hands up.
been a soldier. Better days are coming. Better days are coming for you. So
down your eyes and make all right. Just look to the sky.
And Hunter straight ahead. Hunter, eyes right. And to your left, please. Into the corner.
Just so like I have like
Middle down the middle. This was easy.
that's all I did.
And finally, Snow's rise and fall has been theorised by fans for many years. How exciting is it for you that we finally get to find out what the real deal is?
Well, for me, that's extraordinary. I've been a fan of the franchise since I was, day high, and yeah, I absolutely love watching the Darker Journey. But also, we've been so lucky to have Tom,
Rachel, over your right shoulder. Rachel, over your right shoulder.
Yeah, it was an extraordinary day.
Well, congratulations.
And to your far left, please. And Rachel.
never stood it turn. Hope it's all forever. Make that money, watch it burn. Oh, but I'm not that old John.
We are starting immediately. Let's do it. The premiere of one of what is now cinema's biggest franchises.
Oh my goodness, it's such an honor to even be a part of it, let alone get to celebrate with all of you. The fans are the reason that this franchise has survived as long as it has, that and the genius that is in common. So it's so nice to be involved.
Arriving on the red carpet here in London.
Zoom in on the main cast. The frame up on the main cast.
Few seconds, we're vibing, we're smiling on the left, your left.
Right here. Let's go.
This side. Okay.
This side.
Everybody good? Now we're moving to the middle. We're merging towards the middle. Everybody's in there. We're smiling.
Over here.
All looking in the same direction. So
Over here.
Alrighty. Now off to your side right. Everybody looking great. Amazing.